Yeah, you're right, buddy. It's definitely not the time for a hack. But what should we do then? It's soaking wet outside. What? Snacking all day long? You know that your food is super expensive? Oh, my bad. I forgot I was recording. Hi, guys. I was actually planning to film a cool hack with Blitzen, but it's raining so bad right now. I mean, I could organize a little spa day for you guys, if you'd like. Okay, let the first client in. Ooh, hi, Mari. Dude, what did you do? You're supposed to be a white horse with some brown spots, not the other way around. Who let you outside in the paddock without a rug? Let's begin with you. I'm going to use the Happy Horse shampoo from our sponsor, Mr. Clean Bean.
Equestrians, are you tired of hours-long grooming sessions because your little angel decided to roll in her own poop? No worries. Introducing Mr. Clean Bean's Happy Horse Shampoo. With all natural ingredients and a lovely smell, your horse will love it. Get it now in your local horse shop or online at mrcleanbeanshortshampoo.com.
Wow, look how much bubbles there are. This is some good stuff. I'm going to leave it in for a moment so the product will work the best. Wow, Mari is unrecognizable. Her mane and tail are still a little crusty. Let's detangle it and make some pretty braids. Our first client is done. This is a little before and after. It's such a crazy difference. Next up, we have Pandora. Hello, little diva. She wants a new hairstyle, so let's do that. I think a classic French braid would suit the best. Let's begin. Okay, that took a little longer than expected, but I love the end result, and you know what would make it even better? Some fancy glitter spray. Absolute cinema. Anyways, what's wrong, Pandora? Don't you like your new hair? Oh, shoot, you're right, I forgot the tail. Okay, you're done. Finally, oh hi, another customer. What do you want, Trix? Horsesome Spa? Since when is that a thing? Oh, now I remember. I thought I scrapped that one anyway. What makeover would you prefer? A gorgeous dressage tack set or maybe something more Western like a cow? Oh my goodness, you scared the heck out of me. A glitter unicorn, that's what we're doing. Wow, Trix, you look, glamorous. Yeah, let's keep it with glamorous. That was an interesting afternoon, and look, it stopped raining. Come, Blitzen, let's finally take a good and long hack far away of these horses.